Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel and today's topic is elevation in boiling point. This is also a type of colligative property. So first of all I am writing elevation in boiling point, in short EBP. So before that we should know what is boiling point. Boiling point is the temperature at which atmospheric pressure is equal to vapor pressure. So atmospheric pressure is equal to vapor pressure. That is the temperature, and that temperature is known as boiling point. So boiling point is different for different solvents or solutes. So let us take why it is a colligative property. Why elevation in boiling point is a colligative property. Let us take a beaker. यहाँ पे एक बीकर ले रहे हैं, यहाँ पे ओनली आप प्योर सॉल्वेंट ले रहे हो. सपोज द प्योर सॉल्वेंट्स are present in this beaker and you applied heat. Then its boiling point, you will note its boiling point. Suppose the boiling point of this pure solvent is 60 degree. Then you add few solute particles in that beaker. किछि सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल ऐड हला परे जेते बेले सॉल्यूशन प्रिपरेशन हे जिवो, after solution is prepared, now you can note it down. Definitely the boiling point is more than the pure solvent. So here the boiling point is elevated. यहाँ पे boiling point बढ़ा. Pure solvent में जितना boiling point था, solution में boiling point ज्यादा हो गया. If we make a difference, then definitely the difference is 40 degree. It's a hypothetical. आपको समझने के लिए हम एक एग्जांपल लें. प्योर सॉल्वेंट का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट जितना था उससे सॉल्यूशन का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट बढ़ गया आफ्टर एडिशन ऑफ सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल्स. सो दैट phenomenon is known as elevation in boiling point. Understood? Suppose I will take TB. This is boiling point of solution, and T naught B is boiling point of pure solute, pure solvent. So what will be the difference? Delta TB is the difference, means boiling point of solution minus boiling point of pure solvent, that is TB minus T naught B. And what is delta TB? This delta TB is known as EBP, elevation in boiling point. So EBP, that is elevation in boiling point. So delta TB is TB minus T naught B, and this elevation in boiling point, why it is a colligative property? Colligative property because delta TB is directly proportional to concentration. Suppose I will take here molality as the concentration, delta TB is directly proportional to molality. So it is independent of nature and depends on the concentration of solution or solute particles or solvent particles. So basically concentration of solute particles, that's why it is a colligative property. So let us take a graph. Here in x-axis I will take temperature, that is in Kelvin, and here vapor pressure in 1 atmospheric pressure, 1 atm. Suppose this is the point at which it is a boiling point of pure solvent, and this point is a boiling point of solution. This one is pure solvent and this one is solution. So definitely, as in x-axis gradually the temperature goes on increasing, so this point is known as T naught B and this point is known as TB. So this difference is known as delta TB. यहाँ से हमें मालूम पड़ेगा कि बॉइलिंग पॉइंट जो है कितना एलिवेट हुआ, सॉल्यूशन का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट से सॉल्वेंट का, प्योर सॉल्वेंट का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हम डिफरेंस ले जाएंगे. तो अगर हम डिफरेंस करते हैं, दिस डेल्टा टीबी इज एलिवेशन इन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट विच इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू मोलैलिटी. वी कैन राइट डेल्टा टीबी इज इक्वल टू, अगर प्रोपोर्शनलिटी सिंबल उठता है तो हम लिखेंगे केबी मल्टीपल मोलैलिटी. व्हाट इज केबी? केबी इज नोन एज इवोलो स्कोपिक कांस्टेंट, or you also can write molal elevation constant. So in place of molality we can write delta TB is equal to KB. मोलैलिटी फॉर्मूला वॉशिंग मशीन 1000 में बेचा वाशिंगटन में, WB by MB multiple 1000 multiple WA. So this is the formula for elevation in boiling point. And why it is a colligative property? Once again I repeat why it is a colligative property, because elevation in boiling point depends on molality. Molality is a concentration, it depends on concentration, it depends on amount of substances and independent of any nature of solute or solvent. So that's why elevation in boiling point is a colligative property. And from this graph it is clearly this graph explaining that solution has higher boiling point than the pure solvent, and that difference is delta TB and it is a colligative property. So in this way we completed colligative, second colligative property, that is elevation in boiling point, in short EBP. In our next video we shall start DFP, diffraction in freezing point. Till then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also spread among your friends so that your friends will be helpful. Thank you students.